Que te quiero mucho.
Yo también.
Hi everyone, my name is Mireya. For this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my eyebrow routine. Yes, it took me a while to say it. I don't know why I said it that way. But anyways, let's just get started. I'm going to be reviewing this Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. I'm going to be sharing with you my eyebrow routine. I've never used this pencil before. Hopefully it's my color. Hopefully it works out well. I'm just going to be showing you like the steps that I normally do whenever I do my eyebrows this way. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do my makeup, but we'll see how it turns out. This video is just the eyebrow routine, so let's just go ahead and get started with that. Wet n Wild. This one is 0.2 grams, cruelty free. All the eyebrow pencils nowadays come with a brush like this one on one side, and then on the other side is the pencil. So let's get started with that. The price for this, I think it's $5.98. I was looking at my receipt and it's kind of weird. I bought a couple of things and I think it's this one, WNW Wet n Wild powder. I think that's the one. I was looking for like brow pencil instead of it saying powder, but I'll double check for you guys when I'm editing this video. I'll check online and see what the price is. What I do when I'm doing my eyebrows, when it's something fast, like when I want to be out the door fast, I just put a little bit of eyebrow pencil, a little bit of CC cream, curl my eyelashes, and I'm out the door. A little bit of mascara sometimes. Eyebrows are a must for me. It's actually just been like that not too long ago, because before the thing for me was mascara, but now it's like I need the eyebrows done. Let's zoom in. You can see my freckles there, imperfections, and I have a bruise right here. I bruise often here whenever I'm removing my makeup because of the bleeding disorder that I have. I just have to be very careful when I'm taking off my makeup not to scrub too hard. I want to let you guys know that I'm not a makeup professional. Not professional. I'm just sharing with you how I do my eyebrows, how I do my makeup. This is kind of thick. Can you start here? I don't want to make them too thick today. All the way down. Maybe I could go a little bit more down. No, I don't want to make them too thick because then I go crazy all about it. Okay. Yeah, I went to what I've read is like to create hair-like strokes. But I don't like doing that because I like to fill my eyebrows in pretty good, like all the way. So let me tell you how I do it. I'm just going to color them in like if it was a, like if I'm coloring inside the lines. That's pretty much what I do. And then I know I can get a little crazy and go too thick, and I don't want to do that today. Okay, you see how that is? I'm gonna use the brush to brush everything. I just plucked my eyebrows like a week ago. And I don't grow any more bushy eyebrows. Now that like I want more eyebrows. Yes, this is the life in the 30s now. You don't get so many brows. You don't get so many eyebrow hairs anymore. See, like my eyebrows, I feel like they look horrible. Like once the whole makeup is on, like I think it looks good, right? But right now it's like, what are you doing, Mireya? Yeah, that's how it looks. And then I'm just gonna fill it in a little bit like that. And then brush. And it's okay, like, it's okay to, if it gets messy everywhere else, like, I'm gonna be using a concealer to clean everything. I'm gonna fill it in a little more. I don't like brushing it too much because I feel like that gets rid of all of everything you did already. This is a good color for me. I like it. If my hair wasn't red, it's kind of confusing for me now to find a good pencil that'll match. But I mean, I think this will do the trick. This is what my eyebrows are looking. Like I said, I'm gonna do them thin this time because I usually go for thicker brows. Itchy right here, my nose. There's a itch that just moves everywhere. Have you guys had that type of itch where you're itchy in one place and all of a sudden you're itchy like in the other side? You're itchy somewhere else. Okay, so I guess that's pretty much it, guys. I think I'm pretty much done. That's what my eyebrow would look like. Now I'm going to be using concealer to clean everything up. But before that, I'm going to go ahead and fill my left eyebrow. Let's go ahead and do that. And there's always like one eyebrow that is always looking better. Because eyebrows are not twins, guys. Eyebrows are cousins, at least mine are. So I like my left one better, but that's okay. That's okay. We're going to try to make them similar once I put the concealer on. Which they should have looked similar like as of now. But like I said, that's okay. Totally fine. I'm going to be putting this away, my pencil. I have two different concealers that I purchased. I'm not sure which one I'm going to be using. I also have a Brow Fast Sculpt. I purchased three things, so let me zoom you out so you guys can see. I bought, normally what I would use for my eyebrows, like to be out the door, I would use this Clear Brow Mascara. Is that what it's called? Yes, Clear Brow Lash and Lash Mascara. This one's from e.l.f. Years ago, it used to be $1. Now, I think it was $3. I think that's how much I paid for it. I'll be leaving you the price here, the exact price. I can't believe the price for this has gone up so much. Like, that's super expensive. I know that the cost of living has gone up as well. And that's something that I always ask myself, like, why don't things at the dollar store, how come those things don't increase in price? How come this did? $1. This used to be $1. Anyways, I purchased two concealers and this Brow Fast Sculpt. That's what it's called. It's from Maybelline. This is also clear gel. This one says Shaped Tamed Brows. Cejas definadas y controladas. Clear Brow Mascara. Brow look. Mini Sculpting Brush Clear Gel. Mini Cepillo Modelador y Gel Transparente. I purchased two of them. This one I've used. It's like a clear gel, regular gel. This one I've never used before, so I'm going to give this one a try first. I'll leave you the prices in the description box below. You know what? I'm going to do this at the end. First, I'm going to put the concealer on because I don't want to mess everything up. So I hope the audio is good, guys. I don't know if I have to speak louder or if everything's going to go well with the audio. I've been having some technical difficulties with the microphone that I clip on. So I'm just going to be using, a different one. Hopefully it's good. Anyways, let's get started with the concealer. Which one should I use? I really want to use this one. I've used this one in the past, but you know what? I'm gonna open both of them up because I don't even know if I got the right one. I'm hoping I didn't get like a too light of a color. Whoa, this is big. This is huge. Like this little one, this one from Maybelline, super small. This one you can apply it like with the stick here. Now the other one you need to apply it like to your hand or somewhere. But anyways, this one is the one from CoverGirl. This one's the one from Maybelline. I'll try one on one eye and one on the and a different one on the other. Zooming you guys back in. Okay, so this one is the one from Maybelline on my right eye. Yeah, this one's a bit light. Pretty light. Actually, it's very light. Not sure if I'll like that, but we'll see once I apply everything. Okay, that's how that one looks. See, everything's makes a difference once you clean up. The one from Maybelline is very light, but I'm okay with that actually because I can use it like whenever I'm going to do like an intense eyebrow. Whenever I'm gonna do my makeup for my eyes as a primer. The one from CoverGirl I even like just to use as a regular concealer for my under eyes. This is how my eyebrows turned out using the Wet n Wild brow pencil. I wasn't too sure that they were going to turn out this good. I'm actually liking the way they turned out. It was much faster, much easier to do than using the Anastasia pomade and then the brush. Much easier, you guys. Much cheaper too, and I don't think that you can see much of a difference. At least I don't think so. I mean, I'll share with you guys an image on how they turned out with Anastasia, and then you guys can see what they look like with the brow pencil. That way, I mean, if you guys want to go with a cheaper version, then use a brow pencil, a cheap brow pencil, and this one's really good. It's a good price, good price. Obviously, I'm always trying to find cheaper things, so I'm gonna be on the lookout for a cheaper brow pencil just because I use it so much. And now, like I said, this is something that I like to use every time I go out. I don't like to go out without doing my brows. I think they look pretty good, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup and I will be back with y'all. I'll be back with y'all, okay? Wait for me here, don't leave. Okay guys, so I was gonna do the rest of my makeup and I want to tell you guys because Mireya, when you're editing this video, I know you're gonna forget. I had it all wrong. The one that I kept saying was the CoverGirl one was actually the Maybelline. I had them switched. So this one here was CoverGirl, the light one. And then the one over here was Maybelline. Don't forget Mireya when you're editing this video. Almost forgot. The rating that I'm going to give this brow pencil, rating from 1 to 5, 5 being the best, I'm going to give it a rating of 5, guys. I really liked it. It was my first time using it. I've used other eyebrow pencils in the past. Either I don't get the right color, they're too thin, I have to keep coloring my eyebrows in, and I say coloring because I have to fill them in all the way. So I don't feel like I had to do it as much with this one. I just keep looking in the mirror and I'm like, hey, this is a pretty good tone. I like it. I like the way they turned out. Especially once you add concealer, like it makes a big difference. I feel like it gives you that finishing look on the rest of the makeup. Thank you guys again. Thanks for watching. Take care. And I will see you guys in the next video.